Welcome home to 6524 Emerald Hill Court. Prepare to be blown away. This condo is absolutely amazing. Every square inch of this space has been completely redone. The cabinets, look at all the extra cabinet space that you normally would not get in this particular floor plan. The stacked stone backsplash, I absolutely love. Quartz countertops. You have a new sink, new faucet, newer appliances, shiplap. It is just so 100% cute. And check out this pantry. Tons of storage in here. The lights come on automatically, super cool. And there is updated lighting everywhere. And look at this monster island. This is just absolutely huge. Perfect for entertaining Easter, Super Bowl, whatever. Now, normally in this particular floor plan, the kitchen stops midway through here. And this whole space right here would typically be like a breakfast nook or a little dining area. That they have essentially expanded this whole kitchen area, so you've got much more storage than you normally would. And you are still part of what's going on out here. You've got the electric fireplace. It all leads to the amazing patio, which is perfect. There are 2 full bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, plus you've got this great bonus room here with double doors. This would make a perfect office. It would make a great bonus room, maybe a guest room. I can totally see a Murphy bed in here for guests. Laundry room, they have made excellent use of the space in here. Check this out. I love the extra storage they've included. And then your master suite is way back here, so you can be completely private. You've got the vaulted ceilings, a view of the private backyard. You don't even have to have your blinds closed if you didn't want to. His and her closets, you've got a vanity area. You must check out the master bath. I love the tile. I love the tile in the bottom of the shower as well. It's just amazing. So if you want to take a look inside, hit me up. I want to get you in here. This condo is amazing. Oh, there's also a garage. There's a clubhouse, a pool, a workout room, all for $225. Hit me up. You need it in here.